So once you created your account, you will be redirected to the dashboard. The first thing to do is to create a virtual tour. So to do this, we go and click on List Tour. We give a name to the tour to name, then click on Create. Once we created the tour, we can go to the list of rooms. Click on Rooms to start adding the rooms. You can add via bulk, to have multiple rooms, or to create one by one. So let's say we have room number 1. You can upload your image from your desktop, or just start by using the examples provided here. Let's select this one for instance, then click Create. Once the room is created, you can save and go back to the list of rooms. We can add here another room. Let's say room number 2. You can upload an image or just still using an example. Let's say I want to use this one and create. You can save and come back again to the list of rooms or the list of tour, where you can see that we start here having 2 rooms. An easy way to start preview. Preview when what you are creating. You can click on Preview. And here you can start watching and seeing the list of forms you just created to play around with those rooms. Here you can click on Editor UI, where you can control what is displayed to a user. So for instance, if I want this slider to be displayed, just click on it and let's make it visible and open and make it in the center. You can, for instance, add whatever thing you need from the UI list of items. Let's say, for instance, they want to add the arrows, previews and next, and they want to make it enable and make it center. Here it will be displayed. Then I click Save. Let's preview now the tools, how it looks like. And we can see that now automatically the arrows are displayed, and the sidebar also is displayed right. So once we have those 2 rooms, the first thing we need to add is what we called markers. I want to add a marker to go from room 1 to room 2. For instance, we can click it on here, or you can do it from the sidebar. So let's click on Markers. It will send me Turn Your Page. So you can click on Markers in here. And we are in room 1. Let's say I want to add a marker here that we send to room 2. And they will add a marker to go back or so. So I will add here. So we have a room marker created, then we save. Then let's preview what we just created. As you can see, now we have a marker that redirects to the room now. So basically I can go and then I can go back. So let's maybe adapt this one to change. So if I go back again to markers, we can edit. I go to the room now and they want to move the marker. Let's say I want to move it and put it here safe. The next thing we want to do is the point of interest. So click on Point of Interest. The same way we added markers, we can now add some point of interest to add some products too. to link them directly to the tools. I can add a point of interest. Let's say I wanted to make it a product safe. So I have here a product I want to change the style. Let's say I want to put it like this. Save. To link it as a product, you can now go to click on product in the sidebar. And let's create a chair, for instance. We can say this one is $30, create. It's a share, and you have here the option to put the link to say. Here I want to say yeah, I can keep by, it's okay. They can provide a link of Amazon. And they can add pictures. They can just upload in here some pictures. Select them like this. Open, and we are having the images just added here. You can save. And now you can go back to the point of interest. To attach this product with just create it here. I will edit and choose a product. I will find the chair that they just created and save. If you want to add more products, you can just add another point of interest here. For instance, and then go to product. Add more images and so forth. Let's preview now to see how it goes. So it looks like this. So now if I click on this one, I can see that I have now the product displayed. If you want to change the display to make it prettier, you can go back again to point of interest. Then you can edit. And they don't want to view to be model. I want it to be like books on a click. And they will save. And let's go to preview. And we can see that the display will be different. Yeah, this one is prettier. So within the tool you can have those. And if someone click now on buy button, it will be redirection to the Amazon link we just provided. Great. Now if we wanted to publish it, we can find here publish and tour. And here you have a link. You can call it whatever you want. Demo 1, 2, 3, 4. And you have a link where the tool is accessible to you. And you have everything you want to change the display. Whatever, you can still do it. And also you have another option. If you want to embed the store within your front end, you can just copy this one in, adding it to your website and WordPress or whatever hosting CMS you are using. Now let's say I want to display some other things on this tool. So I will go to the editor UI. And I want to add the language. Let's say we wanted to add English. To support English language, we can put in here English and save. So as you can see now, it will be displayed in English. And let's say French are so great. Save. If I go now to refresh, you will see that we have now a language to view the tour in English, English US, or to have it in French, based on your customers. Let's now say that they want to add your logo or all that stuff. You can go directly to the list of tour. And then you have your tour, and you can start editing the tour. So here you can update the content. If you want to add your logo, to add the powered by, or to add all the stuff related to your brand. Assuming you want to add a video avatar also to the tour, you can just add in it from here. You can add the video, upload the video, and save it. Then you can go to the Editor UI from the Editor UI. You can now display this one here. And they want to show it. And save. Let's say the logo also I want to show it. It could be done here. If I go now and refresh, you see that's the avatar will be now added to the tool.